All right, everybody. So we've done our toy hunt for the day. We actually, if you watched the earlier video, we went to Ollie's, and what did we get? What did we get from Ollie's?
We got this Mario set that you...
From K'NEX. It's kind of like a Lego. Why don't you show the back? It's kind of like a Lego set, but it's from K'NEX of the Mario Kart. We're going to put that together later, and we'll do a review on it later. And then we went to Walmart. What did we get, buddy?
Got these Pokemon cards.
Pokemon cards. Well, how many do you have already?
I got these ones. I got all of these ones.
Yep. So anyone that's a Pokemon trader, comment down below. Let us know if you want to trade, or if you're in the area, we can do some battles, bud. And what else would you get?
We got the Scooby-Doo and the Eye Monster.
It's a Walmart exclusive. Look, it says only at Walmart. You get the Scooby-Doo and the Cyclops. Now, this is an actual really good piece because this is they're doing a 50-year anniversary of the Scooby-Doos from 1979, I believe it was. No, 1969? All the way up to 2017, I believe.
And then I got this.
We already have the Mr. Machine. Mr. Machine actually is available separately, but it's exclusive because it comes with Fred as the driver. We got Daphne and Velma already on two other 2-packs that came with. Then Shaggy also we have. So we already have Shaggy. Now he did already have a Scooby prior from another toy that we got earlier. So it's okay to actually do that because, you know, from what I've seen and with a lot of other videos, that there are a lot of doubles.
And watch what this can do.
Yeah, watch what it does. See, you're getting the 2 for the price of 1 on a review and an unboxing. Wow, it folds up, or it folds down.
And then if there's a monster, you can fold it back up.
Yep. There we go. Now there are actually a couple of different Mr. Machines that are available, but this is the one that we had gotten. Now, this one, I actually remember watching the cartoon of the Cyclops very, very early in my day, many moons ago. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, because what kind of a collector are we, buddy?
Well, the uncollector.
No, we're out of the box.
The out of the box.
Because we like to let it do what?
Let it breathe.
Let him breathe, bud.
I got it.
And then there are other types of collectors that do what?
They keep them in the box.
Absolutely.
So already I took them out. So here's the Cyclops.
Bum bum bum.
And then here's...
We got this broski.
And then here's Scooby.
Scooby-Doo.
Put him actually in. But guys, I will show you. I have two Scoobies. Okay, so actually right here, guys, I will show you. I have 2 Scoobies right here. I will show you. I have these 2 Scoobies.
You know, Scooby has a cousin. I'm not sure if they have that available.
Okay.
They might come out of it with an exclusive.
Yeah, I can pretend. Okay, so I'm gonna pretend this is his friend.
Okay.
So they're already in the game track.
Now, what do we need to get on this collection? Because we not only are we still trying to collect the Toy Story 4 series. What else we have? We need the Electric Man, the Electro Man. I forgot what his name is. I gotta figure that out. And he comes with, I think he comes with Daphne. We gotta, let's see here. Do they have that on the box that we already ripped up? Only at Walmart. Oh, he's not called the Cyclops. He's the Skeleton Man. Well, whatever. We'll call him the Cyclops.
So, guys, I will show you what Pokemon card it is. this Pokemon card, it's very special.
Yep. Let's see. This is a Weezing.
So guys, look at this. You get a pack of Pokemon cards.
Careful
and-
when you open them up so you don't tear the cards.
Okay, here.
Yeah, let me hear. Why don't you turn this around and let me open this
Oh,
up.
I can see the TV. I can see the TV, Daddy. So this is my skeleton, and
All
then
right,
you
here we
can
go.
see that clown
Here.
right there.
Yeah, let me
Okay, guys, you gotta look at these Pokemon cards.
All right, so that's you got a Charmander. Awesome. That's the first level before it evolves to Charizard. Then you got a let's see. A Digit. Yeah, Digit. And then you have a Drowsy. And let's see, a Caterpie. And a Doodoo. Ooh, this is a special one. What is this one? Let's see. A Kakuna. And then you have an Electrode.
My favorite.
Then you also have Brock's Grit. You got a trainer card, another trainer card, a Magmar, and bum ba da bum. It says use this code to unlock your online booster pack. Oh, so we're gonna save this. All right,
Oh, and then
awesome stuff, right? Why don't you get rid of the trash here?
okay, get rid of the trash. Okay, let's put it over here.
Yeah.
Trash. Put the trash over here. Now it's time to unbox
Mario Kart. Now we got this at Ollie's. This was actually a pretty good steal. It was the first thing he saw when we went in, and you can actually find that out once you watch the video, which will be up later today.
Wow.
Yeah, so we're gonna actually do a review once we put this together. All right, show the instruction manual.
Okay. Okay.
And
Here's some.
I must admit, I am not really good at Legos. For whatever reason, I just don't have the patience. Which it's okay. It seems to be pretty easy to follow. So we're gonna do that later, and we're gonna do a review after it's all been put together. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So that's it. Those are the 3 unboxings that we did for today for our toy hunt. So what do we say to our YouTubers, buddy?
Comment down below.
And
Subscribe.
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 Peace out, brah. Bye.
Bye.